Today I am going to reveal one of the easiest ways to make passive income using YouTube Shorts without showing your face or even recording videos by yourself. And at the end of the video, I am going to share a bonus tip so that you can make even more money using the same short videos. If you feel you are interested in, drop a like and stick with me till the end to start your passive income journey. So, first and foremost, what you have to do, you have to come over to Google and then search for something like the best-selling skincare product for women on Amazon. And if I search for that term, I will see that Amazon will show us all the best-selling skincare products that we can promote. So, on the first page you will see that they listed more than 50 products and all of the products has a very good review. See, this product has 33,841 reviews and has 4.7 out of 5 stars. Not only that, but on the second page you will also get another 50 products that are also best-selling and that had a lot of reviews. So, you might think, why we should promote best-selling product? Just because this product has a lot of ratings, and when people come over to Amazon and want to purchase a product or anything from Amazon, the first thing they saw the reviews. How many reviews this product has got. And if I open the product, you will see that there has a hashtag on bestseller, means Amazon shows that this product is selling the most on Amazon. And you can see the proof by seeing the reviews. This product is all about removing acne pimples and has 1,116,106 ratings. When a woman comes over to Amazon and sees this kind of 40,000 ratings, 24,000 ratings, and also sees that hashtag best selling, they are more likely to purchase the product, and you will get a lot of conversions, means a lot of money every single day. And I suggest you not just limit yourself by promoting skincare products. You can also promote a lot of other products on Amazon. For example, you can search on Amazon for something like best-selling face wash for women. Now, Amazon will show us all of the best-selling face wash for women that have highly rated and are also leveled by best-selling hashtags. You will get another 100 best-selling face wash products on Amazon. Once you find all of the best-selling products, then instead of promoting one product, you can create an Amazon affiliate store to promote all of these products and make a lot of money as an Amazon affiliate. But how can create an Amazon affiliate store? For this, you can come over to YouTube and search for something like how to create an Amazon affiliate store. If I search for this term, you will get a lot of videos. For example, this guy shows you how to set up an Amazon affiliate store font. By watching this video, you can easily create an Amazon affiliate store font. If I open the video, you will see that he shows us how to add a product. For adding a product, you need to search for that product over here. You can easily search for the product by copying the name from here and then just pasting it over here and searching for that. Once we have found that product, just click on Add and it will add it to your affiliate store. Once you listed all of these best-selling face wash or skincare products, then in the third step, you need to create short videos for YouTube. So, for creating a YouTube short, you can use this free online tool Canva.com. You can see that I am using the free version of Canva. I am not using Canva Pro, but if you use Canva Pro, then it will be better. Now, what you need to do, you need to click on videos, and then choose the mobile video template because the short videos are in vertical format. Then what you can do is, you can search for something like beauty tips. Now, you will see that a bunch of templates are available on Canva that you can use to make shorts. For example, if I click on this template, I can see that this template has more than 6 pages. You can apply all of the pages. You need to click on Apply All Pages, and it will add all of the pages over here. You will see that an almost 20-second short video is ready in just 2 or 3 clicks. If I click on Preview, then you will see how professional this template is and how engaging it is. Now, you need to change the text over here. As you can see, this template is all about beauty tips. And I am gonna show you how you can get beauty tips. Just come over to ChatGPT and search for something like, provide me 10 unique beauty tips for women. So, if I search for the term, you will see that it will start providing me with 10 unique beauty tips for women. For example, hydrate from the inside out by drinking plenty of water. Use a facial serum with antioxidants to protect your skin. Here, I am getting 10 unique beauty tips. From this, I have to choose just 3. For example, I am gonna use this tip: use a facial serum to protect your skin from environmental damage. Just copy this, and then come over to Canva and then just replace the word over here. Now, I am going to change the headline. See, my slide is ready. Here you have to notice one thing: you must have to change the tips based on the slide template. For example, this template is all about vegetables and healthy habits. So, I am going to use this tip, for example, to eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. This tip will match this slide. That's why I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 unique beauty tips. And you can search for 20, 30, or even more. And then, which one suit most with your template most, you can use this. Now if I preview this, you can see that the beauty tips on the second slide are all about using facial serum, and on the third slide, eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins. Just you need to make sure that the text should match your template. So, in this way, you can easily create a YouTube shirt. Now what you need to do, you need to just voice over the shirt. You can record a voiceover by just reading the tips and then clicking on the upload button, and upload your voiceover over here. If you are not able to record your voiceover, you can also use the background music. Just you have to come over to Element and search for background music, and then you need to click on the audio, and you will get a lot of background music over here. These are all the pro background music. Let's click on Happy Background Music. You can see that these are the free background music that you can use. You can just listen to the music, and if you like the music, simply drag and drop the music and adjust the music according to your slide template. My music is almost added to the template. Now the shirt is almost ready to download. Once we have edited all the slides, simply click on Share and then click on Download. And then you need to just download this as M4 video. Now in the fourth step, you need to just upload the shirt. After that, just click on the comment section, then add a pinned comment. Write something like, if you want to purchase the best skincare product from Amazon, you can check out my store. Then just add your store link over here, and then comment on it. Now you need to click on 3 dots and pin the comment. You can also add your store link in your shirt video description. Now the bonus tip, but before that, if you feel you have gotten value so far, do consider subscribing and liking this video. So, since we made a vertical video, that's why we can also upload the same video on Instagram as an Instagram reel. Just need to create an Instagram business page like this, and then upload it as a reel on Instagram. And then add a link to your affiliate store over here. Just you need to click on Edit Profile, and then you can add your affiliate store link over here, and then click on Submit. If you post regularly, then you will also get a good number of followers on Instagram and meaning more sales on your affiliate store. Not only that, if your YouTube Shorts channel has 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public shirt views within 90 days, then you can also make money from the YouTube partner. For creating this kind of shorts, you need just 10 to 15 minutes, and by creating these shorts, if you can make an extra $2,000 a month, then what's the problem there? Now, if you want to know more YouTube shirt channel ideas, you can watch the video shown on the screen, and I will catch you up in the next video. Thanks for watching.